In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana Pro image annotations to edit in Google Flow. We'll start by opening Google Flow, create a base image from a prompt, then use Nano Banana Pro style annotations to guide precise edits, all inside the same project. First, head to Google Flow in your browser. On the workspace screen, either open an existing project you want to continue working on, or create a new one so you're starting fresh. Keeping everything inside a project makes it easy to track versions as you go. Inside your project, look for the prompt area labeled, "What do you want to create?" This is where you describe the first image you want Flow to generate. Type a clear prompt that covers the subject, style, and any important details. Think composition, mood, or color cues. For example, instead of a city, try a wide-angle sunrise cityscape with soft pastel light and reflective glass buildings. The more focused the prompt, the cleaner your starting point will be. Click Generate and let Flow produce options. When the results appear, click the image you want to work on. That opens it in the editor where we'll add our Nano Banana Pro image annotations to steer the next round of changes. In the editor, use the drawing and annotation tools to sketch what you want changed. Rough strokes are fine. Clarity beats perfection here. Circle areas to modify, draw simple shapes to add or remove objects, and use arrows to point at exact locations. If color choices matter, you can label a note like "Make this jacket navy" right next to the region. Keep lines bold enough to be unambiguous and avoid cluttering unrelated parts of the image. Now click the area labeled "What do you want to change?" This prompt should explain how the model should interpret your drawings and notes. Reference the marks you just made. For example, replace the circled street lamp with a cherry blossom tree. Extend the skyline where I drew the rectangle. Keep lighting consistent with sunrise. Aim for direct, observable instructions tied to your annotations. Type your change prompt, then click Generate. Flow will apply your instructions using the guidance from your sketches and notes. Review the new result. If something isn't quite right, refine either the strokes or the prompt wording and generate again until it fits your intent. And that's it. Go to Flow, create, annotate with Nano Banana Pro Clarity, describe the change, and generate. With a thoughtful prompt and precise markings, you can iterate quickly and get edits that match your vision.